What's up, everyone? So, you want to track who's been to your website so you can run Facebook and Instagram ads to those individuals. Well, you've come to the right place. The Facebook Pixel is the absolute must have tool for you. Not only are you going to know exactly how the Facebook Pixel works, but you're going to also learn how to install it properly and how to best optimize it for different ads to run. So, that's exactly why you should watch this video and stick till the very end. Hey everyone, my name is John Lee, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My goal here is very simple, and I'm not trying to sell you everything, but I want to help business owners and real estate agents scale their business to the next level using creative online strategies that I've personally used myself to this day to get the results that you're looking for. Now, personally, I've spent over $100,000 on Facebook ads and Instagram ads alone, so I know the platform inside out, and I just want to share with you guys what's been working, what hasn't been working, how to set it up so you guys can get the ball rolling with this, because we're so early on in 2022, and I wish you nothing but success, massive success. The Facebook Pixel is an absolute cornerstone in today's online marketing world of 2022. So what it simply does, it connects your website or your landing page with the Facebook platform, and it allows them to communicate. So what does this exactly do? Well, for one, it takes people who visited specific pages on your site or have done specific actions on your site, and they run new ads to those people or retargeting ads to those people. And the second thing it does, it actually allows you to optimize ads for conversion. So meaning you can tell Facebook what the objective of your ad is to get people to your website or to your landing page to take a specific action, or to make a purchase, or to fill out a contact form, or to click through to your website, or to nurture an audience and kind of keep them informed and keep you top of mind. So there's many different functions, and we'll get into all of that in a little bit. And pretty much Facebook can then take and learn from these people and the actions that they've taken to see what type of people they should run these ads to get you more action takers or to get you more conversions, and what they can improve on. So this is what I'm going to talk about to you today with how to actually use the Pixel. So without further ado, let's get right into this. Let's talk about Facebook Pixel. Now, I've already explained to you what it is and how it works for you, but I want to kind of go into it with a little bit more detail. The first and obvious use is to use it as a tool to sell, right? So it connects your website, your landing page, to your Facebook Ads Manager, and that's how they communicate. Now, the second thing that it really does for you is very simple. It allows you to optimize your ads over time for specific conversions. So you're telling Facebook what website and what you want to do to install the Pixel. Number two, it allows, and this is very simple, it allows you to optimize your ads for conversion. So essentially, you're telling Facebook that if you want to optimize for purchases, then what you do is on the website for the specific event, which I'll go over that later, you install the Pixel on a specific page that would maybe the add to cart or the purchase button where that is. And usually that's in the default event, which then Facebook knows this is what you want to happen. So when they drive traffic to it, they want to optimize for a certain event that happens on your website or your landing page. And that's what the Pixel can do, because you can set up a Pixel to optimize for a certain event that is directly linked to a certain action on your website. For example, if 100 people click on your ad and they go to the website and 2 people end up making a purchase, Facebook knows that these 10 people are the type of people that they should start to target with their ad. And they'll slowly start to learn, because it takes time for the Pixel to warm up, but they'll learn over time how to get better at targeting the people that can get you the specific action or event or conversion that you want to happen. And this is where they will show their ads to this type of people more on their ads. Because if you're targeting, for example, e-commerce, you're targeting nationwide, or you're a real estate agent, you're targeting your entire city, there's a lot of people out there. So eventually the Pixel will help Facebook sift through all the people and all the noise to target the people and show their ads to more desired action taking people based off their history on Facebook or their history on what they do. And that's when Facebook can eventually be optimized and learn to show your ads to people that could achieve a higher conversion or a higher potential of getting to a desired outcome that you seek. For example, you want to optimize for purchases. Now, generally, when you run ads, you have to set a specific objective, such as if you want to drive traffic or if you want the potential buyer to send you a message on Messenger or even fill out a contact form on Facebook itself. So you want to install the pixel and you want to set up your event, which is the direct outcome or the desired action that you want the potential people to take, potential leads essentially. And then based off these events that you set, you can then optimize your ads to get more of those conversions. So that's pretty much how the Facebook pixel works. And that's essentially what you're aiming for. So what I want to do now is I want to go over the general page of the Facebook pixel and kind of go over a few pointers there. So I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, everyone. So we're on the Facebook page specifically for Facebook Pixel, and I'll link this down below as well. Now it's called Meta because Facebook changed its name to Meta, so it takes a bit of time to get used to. But essentially, they have a bunch of amazing resources, as you guys can see here. They have blueprint programs, blueprint certifications. So this is a great way for you to get more familiarized with the platform itself. Now, on the topic of Facebook Pixels, essentially they break it down for you. Went over this already, but it's a piece of code for your website that lets you measure, optimize, and build audiences for your ad campaigns. So it measures cross-device platforms, which is great because it tracks everything from Android to iPhone to iPad to your desktop to your MacBooks to your laptops, right? And as we mentioned before, based off the specific events, which is the desired outcome that you want people to take with this pixel set, it will be optimized over time. So Facebook will know, all right, in the city or in this country, how can we find similar people that have taken action, which is the desired action that you want them to take. And based off this, you can now create a custom audience from website viewers. So people that clicked on a certain page or clicked out or took a certain action, such as played a webinar, you can then segment these people on your site, and you can then run retargeting campaigns where you create a specific ad just to hook people back in, or for example, people get to the checkout page and they just end up clicking out instead of checking out, then you can try to run a promo ad campaign to try to see if they could come back and convert, because maybe they clicked to the checkout and then something came up, and that usually things come up and people forget about going back, right? So these are some of the powerful things that the Facebook Pixel can do for you. And again, you can learn more about your website traffic, like what actions are people taking, how long are they watching a video, what pages are they clicking into. So I think it's really important that you fully understand the power of the Facebook Pixel and why it's been able to help me scale my businesses to multiple six figures and helped a lot of different individuals across different niches get to that level. So yeah, I'll link this down below. If you guys have more questions, you can kind of take a read through it. And in the next video, I want to jump into my Facebook Ads Manager. I want to show you guys step by step exactly how to set up the pixel, create a pixel from scratch, how to link it up to your websites, to your landing page, to Shopify, to RealGeeks, whatever platform you use, to WordPress. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right now we're in our Facebook Ads Manager, and I just kind of want to give you guys a quick rundown of how it's set up. So in another video, which I'll link above here again, I go exactly step by step. If you're a real estate agent, step by step, how to create a home buyers list to generate buyer leads right away in 2022, and it's super effective. This is one of the campaigns that I ran specifically for that tutorial, And essentially, there's the campaign level, the ad set level, and the ads level. And these are the result that we're looking for is for people to essentially fill out an online lead form on Facebook, which is something I'm testing. So instead of driving traffic out to another website, why not just try to drive the traffic within the Facebook platform itself? And I optimized for a 7-day click and 5 leads, reach an impression about 2,800 people, right, on about $10 ad spend a day. So the cost per registration is about $8. Don't worry too much about the cost per lead. We'll get into that later, how to optimize. But over time, it will be less costly because the pixel will warm up and then it'll optimize for that specific conversion that you're looking for potential people to do. Now back to the pixel, because that's what we're talking about here. What you want to do is you want to go to Events Manager, right? And to create a new pixel, what you want to do is you want to connect data source over here. Now, you can only create one pixel per account. So, okay, so connect to a new data source. Let's see, default online event. Okay, so let's see, maybe we can do this and see if I can create another pixel. Okay, so for this one we can. Okay, all right, let's just go to my secondary account. So you can connect the data source to a CRM, right? If you're using Go High Level or if you're using Real Geeks, there's a lot of CRMs out there. Offline, right? You want to send people to traffic in stores. App connects to us app, but we're just going to go web, connect to a website. And then the CRM category, it usually falls under web too. So I guess you could do either or. Just connect name your pixel. So I would name it, whatever website.com pixel, right? Like whatever website is, or realgeeks.com pixel, and then if I just real or real, see, perfect, check, nice. So just one of my random websites. So how do we connect the website? You see here, Conversion API Meta Pixel recommended use the Conversion API combined. Pixel send web activity customers using both. I would recommend using this one. Pixel only is use only a Pixel to send web activity customers. So Conversion API helps, with conversions. And the beauty of Facebook is everything's so intuitive. So you can click this link to learn more about Conversion API. So it's designed to create a direct connection between marketing data and system, which help you optimize, target, increase cost per action, measure results across media technologies. Direct reliable connection between marketing data, website events, and offline events. Now you can just go down the rabbit hole, right? You can see how intuitive it is. There's just more links that you can click into. So I usually just go with Conversion API because, again, it lowers ad costs. Help me optimize my user base. Nice. Next, how it works. Sends all activities to the web browser or customer, then you visit the site. Conversion API lets you send activity directly from your server. More control over type of activity you can measure both online and offline. Create a personalized step-by-step instruction for sending customer action you want to measure through the Conversion API. Follow the instruction yourself, send them to a developer, complete implementation, show your recommendations on the way. Nice. So this is where you have to manually implement the API. Again, you can click on Learn More to find out more about how to set that up. But the good thing about Facebook is there are a lot of partner integrations. So Zapier, WordPress, WooCommerce, Shopify, right? So for example, if you want to connect to Shopify, then you can literally click through step by step. It'll show you exactly how to connect the Shopify account. If you go back, if you have WordPress, it'll tell you exactly how to install the plugin, connect to Facebook, verify, set up events. So again, it depends on what type of website you're looking to do. And then that's how you would set it up accordingly. So if you choose to do the pixel only route, again, you have the same options available, right? So if you install the code manually, you have to copy and paste the base code. and then you would essentially paste it onto the website just above the head tag, right? So again, you click learn more to figure out how to make use of this conversion tracking. And right before the head script, that is where you want to add this function. So it really depends. And Facebook does a really good job of making sure you follow step by step. It'll check for you. If you didn't do a step right, then you can't proceed to the next step essentially. So once you kind of go through the process, again, it depends on if you're connecting to a landing page or just ClickFunnels, or connecting to a CRM, or connecting to a website. For example, if you use Real Geeks, which is a CRM site, you can actually just message them, send them an email with your Facebook pixel, and actually connect your profile for you, right? And then if you use platforms like WooCommerce or WordPress or even Shopify, they have direct partner integrations where you can quickly set that up. So hopefully that gives you guys a better idea of what the purpose of a Facebook pixel is, why it's so crucial to help you scale your business to the next level, how to best optimize it and use it, what are some ways to set it up, and what are some ads that you can be running, and most importantly, how to set it up and install it. So after going through all this process, what you realize is once you start collecting data, once the pixel is optimized, once you have enough data collected, then what you can do is you can start running retargeting ads to custom audiences that, between watching, for example, a webinar video, if they watch 10%, 25%, 50%, 100% of it, or you can even run retargeting for ads for people that click to the checkout page and they didn't check out for whatever reason, or they might have taken an action or done something on your website. You can run different retargeting ads to target those people. And this is the power of the Facebook pixel. Please go set it up right now if you haven't. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me, comment down below. I will get back to each and every one of you. And don't forget to like the video if you found value in this video, because it just helps me boost the content out to help more people in need. My goal here in 2022 is to impact 10,000 people's lives. And if you can help me do that, I would so greatly appreciate it. And I would be able to then, once I do that, I want to donate to charity of my choice to help more people out, especially in this day and age where there's a lot of uncertainty out there. If I could give more, do more, help more people, that's what I'm after. So if you guys love that mission, if you guys want to support me, just click it, give it a thumbs up for this video. And most importantly, if you guys don't want to miss my next video, be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified when it drops next. Well, until next time then, thanks again for tuning in. Bye-bye. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. And guys, don't forget to set it up right now. Pause this video, go set up the Facebook pixel right now. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Let me know what you're struggling with. I answer and reply back to each and every one of you. Hopefully you found the power of the Facebook pixel, and after describing what the potential is, how you can best optimize it, what type of ads to run, and most importantly, how to install and set it up so you can kickstart 2022 and start rolling with it. It's extremely underutilized after the Facebook algorithm change with the security, with the Apple network as well. So people got really scared and shied away from the platform, but it's still to this day the most efficient, the best platform to use to get leads, to get qualified leads, to optimize your ads for specific actions. So guys, go take action right now. Let's scale your business to multiple six figures. It definitely helped me and different people in different niches. So guys, I'm telling you, this works. So make sure you set it up right now. And don't forget to like this video. My mission is to impact 10,000 people in 2022. So by liking this video, you're actually helping me push this video to more people, to help more people out. And only do that if you found value, guys. If you didn't, let me know down in the comment section below what I can do to improve the quality of my videos, or what I can do better, or what else I can help you guys out with. But yeah, 10,000 people in 2022. Help me get to that mission. Like that video. And if you don't want to miss my next video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. My goal is to help online businesses and real estate agents scale their business to the next level using creative online strategies. So without further ado, that's a wrap, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.